Welcome. My name is Lauren McLaughlin. This video is brought to you by Serasana BK. Today I'll be guiding you through a few different breathing exercises. These are breathing exercises to help you ground, to feel more grounded. They can sometimes be energizing, which is nice, but also focusing really on relaxing, releasing tension, stress, and anxiety. So I'm sitting here on a yoga mat, obviously, but you can be seated in any position. So you can sit onto a chair or even a couch, or you can choose to sit on the floor with me. So wherever you are, just finding your seat and taking a moment to get comfortable. If you feel like there's anything you need to move or adjust, go ahead and make those adjustments now. Give yourself a moment, maybe stretching your neck, taking a couple of neck rolls, or taking a gentle twist side to side. And then find your way towards a comfortable seat. So as you find your seat, it's allowing your hands to lower down to your side so the shoulders can soften. Notice where your weight is. If you have a tendency to lean forward or back, can you find that middle place where the shoulders stack right over your hips? And then begin to sit up a little taller, lengthen through your spine, lift through the base of your skull, feeling all corners, all sides of your neck draw up. And then take a little relaxation through your waist, kind of soften there, and feel your low back soften. Lower your eye gaze towards the floor, about 3 or 4 feet in front of you, so you keep that length through the back of your neck and the chin draws in slightly to the throat. The tongue can rest on the roof of the mouth. We'll take a few cleansing breaths here. Together, let's inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth audibly. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, let it go. Deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Breath out, exhale. Inhale again through your nose. Close your mouth and exhale through the nose. Twice more in through the nose. And out through the nose. Breath in. Breath out, letting the day go. And continuing with your breath. Noticing the length of your inhales and exhales. Returning to the pace of your own breathing. Noticing if some inhales are longer, shorter, some breaths more rich or more shallow. Starting to match the pace of your breathing, matching the length of your breath. Noticing that even as we sit in stillness, there is always movement. There is this movement within the movement of the breath, this dynamic nature. Noticing where you feel your breath in your body. And you feel the connection of your body to the support, the ground beneath you. How each inhale provides a sense of lightness and lift. The exhale grounding and softening you down. The inhale expanding. The exhale softening. Starting to notice more sensation in the body. That as we slow down, we begin to tune in to what's already there. We begin to tune in to the present moment. I'm hearing the sounds in the room, the sound of our breath, the sound of my voice, maybe the sound of the fan, or the sounds coming in from outside. Feeling your breath, feeling your body. And together we'll slowly take a scan of the body, starting from the crown of the head and gently working our way down. Checking in with the crown of the head, noticing the hair upon our scalp. Noticing the forehead and the eyebrows, the temples, the eyes and eye sockets, the cheekbones, the jaw, the inner ear and the outer ear. Noticing the throat and the back of the neck. Feeling the tops of the shoulders, the collarbones. Your breath as you breathe into your chest. Tracing slowly down your arms. Noticing your arms, your elbows, the forearms and wrists. Into your hands and each one of your fingers. Tracing back up your arms. Into your back body. And slowly tracing down the length of your spine. Your upper back, your middle back, towards your lower back. And feeling into your waist, your belly, noting your digestion, feeling your hips and into your legs, your inner thighs to your outer thighs, down to your knees, down your shins to your ankles, and into your feet, all the way to the tips of your toes. And bringing your focus back to your breath as you feel into the breath and your body. Taking in all that arises as it comes. 3 deep breaths. Beautiful job. Just noting how you're feeling now after these moments of mindful breath and seated meditation. And then next, we'll move to our next breathing exercise. And you might decide to change your position or adjust. I'm going to come to sit hips to heels for our Ujjayi or our ocean breath. As you find this next breathing exercise, you'll notice that it's much stronger. The Ujjayi breath, also known as the ocean breath, is called such because it really creates that sound of an ocean. It's very audible. You'll be drawing your inhale through the back of the nose and throat, creating a slight constriction like a snore. And then exhaling, pushing the breath out, really drawing down to the bottom of the breath and drawing the belly in to help you empty. We'll try it together. So as you begin, we'll inhale through the back of the nose and throat. Exhale, belly pulling in. Inhale. Exhale. Continue with your breath, inhaling through the back of the nose and throat. Feel that constriction. Exhale, push all the air out from your lungs to allow a larger inhale breath. Inhaling and exhaling. Imagine fogging a piece of glass in front of your face. Continuing with this breath, we'll aim for a 6-count inhale and exhale. That might be long to start, so if you're just beginning, maybe a 3-count breath in and out. You can also close the mouth and exhale through the nose. Still, that sensation is like fogging a piece of glass in front of the face. Lengthening the breath, increasing our lung capacity as we breathe. A very grounding breath. Ujjayi helps us to reset. It also helps us to warm the body from the inside out. Beautiful job. 3 more breaths here. Doing your best. Wonderful. Our final breathing exercise will be the who breath. Now, the who breath can be done lying onto your side body. So if you'd like to lie down, you're welcome to now. Just lying onto your side, finding a slight round through your spine so your knees can pull in a bit to your chest, hips are stacked. Laying on your side, you can use your arm as a pillow or using a proper pillow underneath your head. You can also do this breath seated. The who breath is called such as it sounds like a who on your exhale. You'll take this breath with pursed lips. So as if you're wrapping your lips around a straw. You'll breathe in slowly through pursed lips as if breathing through a straw. And you'll breathe out slowly as if pushing your breath out through a straw. As you breathe out, making that sound of whoo or the gentle sound of the wind blowing. So we'll try it together. You can lick your lips to begin, just to wet the lips. And I will slowly purse the lips and take the inhale breath. Exhale at the top of the breath through pursed lips. Good, keep going. You'll notice this breath is longer. You're lengthening the inhale and lengthening the exhale breath. We're calming here, helping to reset the nervous system and to recharge, to turn on the parasympathetic nervous system, or the side of our nervous system that allows us to rejuvenate and to heal. This breath can help reduce anxiety, can help you relax, slowly taking those inhales and exhales. Continue to breathe. Trying about 3 more breaths here. As you inhale, slowly filling up your lungs. As you exhale, mindfully pushing the breath out to the very bottom of your breath. Allowing the breath to be comfortable, but long and purposeful. Thank you all so much for joining me. I'm glad to be your guide and to share these exercises with you. Again, my name is Lauren McLaughlin. This video is brought to you by Serasana BK. Thank you.